हरिओम। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबां, a heartfelt dialogue between a devotee and God. This is one sacred bhajan. It's like a soul's whisper to God, full of longing, love, and surrender. It reminds us that our human life, this mati, this clay, this temporary body is a gift, a blessing where every breath can be a worship, every challenge a chisel in God's hands, who's our sculptor, and every moment of this divine journey is a step closer to God. Let us journey through each verse of this soulful bhajan, feel its deep essence, and immerse in the bhakti of God. इस माटी में सुन मेहरबां, जब तलक एक भी सांस हो, तेरी प्रीत ना बिसराऊं मैं, यही होठों पे अरदास हो. A true devotee with the purest prayer tells God, O compassionate Lord, as long as I breathe in this human form, let me never forget your divine love, your infinite love, your endless love for me. This wish, this sankalp is the essence of surrender. Like a candle that prays to never be separated from the flame, the embodied soul prays that love for God remains alive with every breath. Our breaths are counted, our life is short, but what matters is not how many breaths we take, but how we live each breath with love, reverence, presence, and devotion. Each inhalation can carry devotion, and each exhalation can carry surrender and love. दुनिया का मेला है रंग भरा, कहीं खो न जाऊं मैं भीड़ में, तेरी उंगली ना छोड़ूं कभी, तू हर जगह मेरे पास हो. This worldly life is a mela, a fair full of colors, attractions, distractions, noise, confusion. In this crowd of desires, distractions, and material pleasures, a true devotee always prays, God, let me not lose myself in this illusory material world. When a little child holds a parent's hand in a mela, in a fair, chances are that the child may let go of parent's hand, but the parent never lets go of the child's hand. In the same way, the devotee says, "Oh Lord, never let me let go of your hand. You hold it tight. Always hold it tightly for me. I never want to be separated from you, O Lord. I don't want to get lost in this mela of the illusory material world." Life's fair will always be full of noise. The only way to get connected to God, only way to stay with God, and only way to not get lost in this mela is to let God, let a true Guru, let Satsang hold our hand, so that we are always in awareness, love, and remembrance of our true purpose of life. Because when we walk holding God's hand, the fair turns from confusion to celebration every moment. रुत आए भी ऋतु जाए भी, पर विनती है मेरे साहिबा, बरसात तेरे मेहर की जीवन में 12 मास हो. Every season of life comes and goes. Nothing is permanent. Joy, sorrow, success, failure, all are part of time's rhythm. But a true devotee knows that the showers of grace, the season of God's blessings on us is forever. But we can feel that grace only when we are open to receiving it. Hence, a true devotee prays, "Let my heart always feel your showers of grace in my life, throughout all the 12 months, every moment, irrespective of the seasons of life, irrespective of external circumstances." Just as the earth depends on the rains to stay alive, a soul depends on God's grace to live this life fully in enthusiasm, in the divine purpose of God. And this divine grace is not seasonal, it's eternal. God's grace is always on us. We just have to be open to receiving it. And when we live in constant connection with God every moment, whether it's sunny or stormy, whether it's any season of life that bothers us or that makes us happy, all seasons feel like a season of divine blessing. Because in challenges, we're always growing, we're always learning. And in happy moments, we are making the most of the joy within us. तेरे भक्तों के चरणों में है जन्नत से ज़्यादा सुख कहीं, सर भी झुका रहे हर घड़ी, अंदर से दिल भी दास हो. A true devotee bows down in reverence to the true Guru, to the sages, to the masters, to devotees and to lovers of God, and knows that their company, their satsang, is greater than heaven itself. God himself wants to be in that satsang, to receive the love of the bhakts, of the lovers of God, and to give them so much love, to get their reciprocation. It's a beautiful connection that God feels with the devotee as much as the devotee feels with the God. And so satsang is heaven on earth, more than that. And there can be nothing more blissful than satsang, where all talk is about praising God and His grace, where we find the true direction of life, where we learn to be eternally joyful, where we know who we truly are, and where we learn to multiply our joy every moment by spreading the word of God. In satsang, in the presence of Satpurush, in the presence of lovers of God, we learn humility, not just outwardly, but inwardly, as our heart softens with the abundance of everything we have received from God. To be a das, a humble servant of love, is not slavery. It is in fact freedom from ego. It is joy. The joy of serving, listening, surrendering, and learning from God's lovers is the true heaven on earth. सबको मिले तेरी बख्शिशें, सबको मिले तेरी रहमतें, हर चेहरे पे हो रौनकें, दाता ना कोई उदास हो. This is the verse of universal love. A true devotee's heart expands as it wishes for everyone's happiness. A true devotee says, O Lord, let your grace touch every being. Let every face shine with your light. May no one remain sorrowful. This is the peak of divine compassion, where my joy becomes your joy, your sorrow becomes my prayer, where we live in oneness with God, where we live in oneness with the entire universe, where we live in oneness with each other, that we want the same joy that we have for ourselves, same joy we want for everybody else. A truly surrendered heart stops seeking personal salvation. It becomes an instrument for universal upliftment. When love becomes that selfless, even God smiles on us and says, My child, you served my purpose of sending you as a human on this earth. सत्संग हो मेरा आईना, रूह को संवारूं मैं प्रीत से, तेरा वचन मेरा हुक्म हो, तेरे बोल मेरे लिबास हों. This is the essence of spiritual practice, where a devotee says, let satsang be my mirror, so I can keep refining my soul with love. We often look into mirrors to fix our outer appearance, but satsang is that mirror that shows us our inner state. Through divine company, through satsang, we realize our mistakes, we polish our hearts, we remove the dust of ego and vices and all such impurities, and we rediscover our true reflection, which is God Himself. O Lord, let your words be my command. Let your wisdom be the robe I wear. This is the final surrender, when the devotee's will dissolves into God's will. When that happens, the separation between I and you disappears. Only love remains. This is the oneness every lover of God aspires for, and in living this beautiful journey of spiritual progress, attains it. Hence, the journey itself is the destination. This human body of clay will one day dissolve, but let our every breath, every act, every heartbeat be a prayer of love. This bhajan teaches us that the journey of devotion is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming pure. It's about becoming love itself. It's not about escaping life's fare, but walking through it, holding God's hand every moment. When love deepens into surrender, and surrender blossoms into service, the soul becomes God's true home. And then every moment sings, Is माटी में सुन मेहरबां, तेरी प्रीत न बिसराऊं मैं, यही होठों पे अरदास हो. इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान जब तलक एक भी सांस हो, तेरी प्रीत ना बिसराऊं मैं, यही होठों पे अरदास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान, जब तलक एक भी सांस हो, तेरी प्रीत ना बिसराऊं मैं, यही होठों पे अरदास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान, जब तलक एक भी सांस हो, तेरी प्रीत ना बिसराऊं मैं, यही होठों पे अरदास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान। दुनिया का मेला है रंग भरा, कहीं खो न जाऊं मैं भीड़ में, तेरी उंगली ना छोड़ूं कभी, तू हर जगह मेरे पास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान। ऋतु आए भी ऋतु जाए भी, पर विनती है मेरे साहिबा, बरसात तेरे मेहर की, जीवन में 12 मास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान। तेरे भक्तों के चरणों में है जन्नत से ज्यादा सुख कहीं, सर भी झुका रहे हर घड़ी, अंदर से दिल भी दास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान। सबको मिले तेरी बख्शिशें, सबको मिले तेरी रहमतें, हर चेहरे पे हो रौनकें, दादा न कोई उदास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान। सत्संग हो मेरा आईना, रूह को सवारूं मैं प्रीत से, तेरा वचन मेरा हुक्म हो, तेरे बोल मेरा लिबास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान, जब तलक एक भी सांस हो, तेरी प्रीत ना बिसराऊं मैं, यही होठों पे अरदास हो। तेरी प्रीत ना बिसराऊं मैं, यही होठों पे अरदास हो। इस माटी में सुन मेहरबान, इस